You want to be able to rely on your financial statements so that you can make smart business decisions. But how do you get these accurate financial statements? You need to account for the money coming in and going out of your business. You need to ensure that you have all your entries in your business recorded. You need to make sure that you're doing your bookkeeping correctly to have those accurate financial statements you can rely on. In today's podcast episode, I'm covering how you can be confident you're doing your bookkeeping correctly so that you can rely on your financial statements. Whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, reviewing your financial statements, which include your balance sheet and your income statement, every month is essential to running your business. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. you can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. I want to ask you if you put your bookkeeping as a low priority or if it seems like a meaningless task that needs to be done in your business. I also want to ask, how much importance do you put on reviewing your financial statements or utilizing them to make smart business decisions? When I ask these questions, I usually hear that bookkeeping is put off or it isn't always up to date. But I also hear that business owners want to be able to rely on their financial statements to really understand how their business is doing. So how can you have one without the other? Well, it's easy. You can't. And this is exactly why you need to put a higher priority on maintaining your bookkeeping records and making sure that you have your information entered on a timely basis. When you're just starting your business, it can be easy to get started with your bookkeeping because you're starting with a clean slate. You don't have any transactions recorded yet. Typically, your volume is down, and you have the time to make sure that you can record everything correctly. You're also usually pretty excited about your business, and you want to track each one of those sales as they occur. This is the best time to make sure that you have a system in place to get your bookkeeping done. Everything is new to you, and you want to make sure that you do everything the right way. It's also a great time to make sure that you're scheduling your bookkeeping so that you're able to get your bookkeeping done consistently. I always say that if you want to ensure that you get something done, you need to plan for it in your schedule. Actually, take your calendar and block off time so that you can get your bookkeeping done without any distractions. If you don't do this, it will surely get missed. But what about if you've had your business for a few years and you still don't have a sound bookkeeping process? Well, there won't be a better time to get started than right now. You'll first need to decide when you need to start with your bookkeeping. Are your tax returns up to date? If so, you can probably start with the current year. If not, I would recommend that you start your bookkeeping with the year that you need to file your tax return for. Not only will this give you the information that you need to file your tax return, but you'll also be building information so that you can look back on prior years to see how your business is doing. Maybe you've already been doing your bookkeeping, but you haven't been the best at getting everything recorded. You have some information recorded, but you're missing other parts. You may need to do some cleanup to make sure that you have everything recorded and are able to reconcile your account so that you know that everything is accounted for, which then means that your financial statements will be accurate as well. Don't drag your feet on this. The sooner that you start getting everything caught up, the sooner you'll be able to have a quick and efficient process set up so that you can make sure that every month your bookkeeping is up to date and you can review your financial statements. If you know you're not at a point to outsource your bookkeeping, it's up to you to make sure that you set your bookkeeping as a priority. It's up to you to make sure that you have accurate data to be able to review your financial statements. It's up to you to make sure that you're recording all your deposits and your invoices so that your total revenues are correct, and to make sure that you're consistently collecting your sales so that you don't struggle with your cash flow. It's up to you to record any bill payments or withdrawals so that you're able to take every tax deduction available to you. When you have your bookkeeping system up to date, what information could you be utilizing to make smart business decisions? Let's cover just a few examples. Most businesses will set a monthly sales goal. When you have your bookkeeping up to date, you can easily look from month to month to see how your monthly sales have been doing. You can determine which months fell short of your goals, as well as which months performed better. You can then take this information and analyze why, so that you can continue to improve your sales going forward. When you're looking at your income statement, you can compare the current year to the previous year to see where your income and expenses are falling. This not only gives you a picture of how each category is doing, but you can look at the overall net income or loss so that you can understand where you're sitting for your upcoming tax return in comparison to your last tax return. If your net income is quite a bit greater than the previous year at this time, you can start saving for your additional tax liability right now. If your net income is less than the year before, you can look into why and make some changes so that you can end the year better. There are so many ways that you can utilize the bookkeeping that you do in your business to lead your business to greater success. But when you don't have this information on a timely basis, you and your business lose. My advice to you is that you need to get your bookkeeping done at some point so that you can report those figures on your tax return. So why not stay up to date and benefit from those figures now? If you know you need to get your bookkeeping done, but you're unsure how to get started, or you just need help with understanding what you need to do next, join me and let's do this together. I've just opened the enrollment to my Strategic Bookkeeping Academy, and I'm here to guide you with setting up your bookkeeping system all the way through maximizing your results and understanding your financial statements. I keep it simple. You'll focus on the tasks that need to be done and create accurate and timely financial data so that you can stop wondering how your business is doing or wish you knew what your financial statements were saying about your business. And I'll be here to answer the questions that you have all along the way. I've helped hundreds of business owners through this process over the last 25 years, and I believe you have what it takes to do your own bookkeeping as well. You'll gain confidence and clarity with each and every step, and as you see the progress that you make with your business finances, you'll reach a new ability to help your business grow. The Strategic Bookkeeping Academy opens today, June 15th, 2022. And there will be a promotion for founding members from June 15th through June 17th, 2022. This is the only time that I'll ever hold this founding member promotion for the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy. I'm really excited for you to join and start taking control and understanding your business finances. When you sign up in the first couple of days the program is open, you'll save $500 and you'll have lifetime access to the program. So if you want more information and be eligible for the promotional price, if you can't wait to join, or you're curious to learn more about the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy for service-based business owners, you can join us by going to financialadventure.com/SBA. I can't wait to see you in the program. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.